What's up, everyone? Scott here from Chernobyl Studios, and as you can tell by the title, Nick has made his raffle public, and I wanted to help promote it, to help you guys get in on it, because this is a great chance to get probably one of the most recognizable ride cymbals in metal history. So I've got the video from Nick here. Let's go ahead and roll it.
Hello social media people, this is me, drummer Nick Barker, coming at you just to let everybody know that I'm hosting a raffle for this beautiful ride cymbal that I used in Dimmu Borgir, Old Man's Child, Lock Up, etc. I recorded the Dimmu Borgir records on this, Puritanical, Death Cult Armageddon. It can be seen in the Live Misanthropia DVD, also in the Progenies video clip. This bad boy's got a lot of metal history attached to it, and it could be yours for just $25 US. That's right, $25 US per ticket. You can buy as many tickets as you like. I need at least 50 tickets sold to make the raffle work, otherwise I'll refund everybody's money. There's going to be 2 runner-up prizes, which will be a goodie bag each of various signed promo pictures from Dimmu Borgir, Cradle, Brujeria, all kinds of stuff that I've got lying around, like goodies, which I'm sure you people out there will appreciate more than me. Yeah, just $25 US for this. This bad boy could be yours. It's probably the best ride cymbal I've ever had. It could be yours for just $25 US a ticket. And there's 2 runner-up prizes. All the details are below. And I just want to say thanks for watching and best of luck. Thank you.
There you go. You heard it from the man himself. This is a pretty unique chance to get one of the most iconic ride cymbals in metal history. So definitely don't pass it up. Go ahead, hit up his Instagram, get the details, and get your raffle ticket. And man, I hope for the best. You know, could be you that ends up getting that ride cymbal. Now, right away, I do want to say that Nick has agreed to do a second interview. We have not planned it. We have not discussed when it's going to be, but I think it'd be really cool if you guys can start leaving questions down below. I'll also check the original interview video for questions there. Leave a question. You know, he's pretty much open to discuss anything, but I think it'd be really cool to give you guys the opportunity, you know, to ask a question that maybe you've had for a long time, or you've always just wanted to know, little factoids, about his drum setup, pedals, drums, heads, cymbals, bands, music. I mean, anything that spans his career, he's pretty open to chatting about it. So go ahead, write a question below, grab your raffle ticket, all right? And I'll see you guys in the next video.